If you want to add fingerprint on your Google Pixel 10, then first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're going to scroll down until you find security and privacy. In here, go to device unlock, and then you should be able to find the fingerprint option. But in order to set it up, first you need to have a screen lock password. So if you don't have it yet, just go to the screen lock and set up a password. So let's go to fingerprint and enter our current password. There we go. Now we need to scroll down and press I agree, and then press start. And now we need to touch and hold our finger on the sensor, which is illustrated over here. And try to touch your finger, touch the screen with your finger. And once you press it or touch it, you should be able to lift it afterwards. And just keep doing so and try to scan from different angles. As you can see, we also have instructions to do this firmly. So we need to make sure that we are actually touching it properly. There we go. We also have some instructions that you can use, of course, in order to make sure that you're properly scanning your finger. So for example, right now we are trying to touch it and press it with the edge of the finger. And we also have instructions to change the position each time, at least slightly. There we go. And once everything is done, once you scan your finger, you can either add another fingerprint, or you can just press done in the bottom right corner. And there we go. In addition to that, we are also offered to use face unlock. So if you want to, you can go ahead and press I agree. Otherwise, just press no thanks. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.